Hello, my name is Masud Hussain and welcome to MedFarm.
Now, MedFarm is an urban farming project. We're doing vertical farming in an empty office building here in the centre of Amsterdam. What is vertical farming? Basically, it's farming on layers using LED and hydroponics. And what's the advantage of growing food like this? Well, we can grow sustainable, pesticide, preservative-free, fresh food. I started to do some research, and what I found was that this idea had been around for a long time. Vertical farming, books have been published on it, huge amount of architects had worked on it, doing drawings, but nobody was actually doing it. So I thought, why don't we actually try it? You know, we take a small office space and let's see if it's actually possible. So what I did was rent this space and try to grow food in it. And in the meantime, we put the idea to TEDx, and we won the award. We won the TEDx Ideas Worth Doing Award, which was a great bonus, which raised our profile, and we got to meet some really interesting people. But since then, we've started with growing lettuce, and then we moved to growing strawberries, and now we're experimenting with about 20 or 30 different varieties of plants that can be sustainably grown in the city, and which we can then in the future use to feed the city.